A warm welcome to all. I am Mohammed Tariq from 9th B. Today I am going to talk about trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios is a fun topic which we learn in our early 9th standard and 10th standard. In the name we could see trigno, it is a Greek word meaning triangle. Metry means measure, we all know that. So measure of a triangle where relation between the side length and the angle is known, where we derive some ratios which is called as trigonometric ratios. Does anyone know the father of trigonometry? If you said Hipparchus, that's correct. Hipparchus is considered as the father of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. You see, we think we don't apply trigonometry in major industries, but trigonometry is more useful. Trigonometry is applied everywhere. It is mostly applied in the engineering and land surveying. Okay, so we could see that trigonometry is not that so big, but it is used in many places. Like music industry also there is used trigonometry. And I am gonna say that if I am standing in front of a tree or a building and I know the distance and the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means the angle between me and the object. So if I know the both, I could easily find out the height of the object, which is tree or a building. And I could see that even I could calculate a height of a mountain using this. Even a highest building and mountains are calculated with this. And now I am going to say about the three major sides. We have the three sides, we call it as base, height, perpendicular, like that. But in trigonometry we name with different names, which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, 90-degree right hand side, which is hypotenuse, and the given angle no theta. Opposite to the theta is the opposite side, and adjacent to the theta is the adjacent. So the three major sides are hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. And we have the three major ratios which are sine, cosine, tangent. We could have it from them. And we could remember it easily by the method called SOHCAHTOA, where we have the first letter mentioning the ratios sine, cos, tan, SCT, and the second letter mentioning the numerator which is opposite and adjacent, like that. Okay, we have O and A in the numerator, and the denominator we have the hypotenuse and adjacent. So it is a useful method. If so is there, SOH, sine opposite divided by hypotenuse, and cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and 2a where tangent theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. And we have the own reciprocals which are cosecant theta 1 divided by sine theta, and we have the sine secant theta which is a reciprocal of cos theta, and cotangent, or else called as cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tangent theta. So these are the main thetas or the main ratios, and we have the trigonometry ratio table which is the basic table, but we have a big table also, but that is a huge, we need some calculation to do the table, and which have decimal numbers, but in this table we have the whole and real numbers, which is much easier than that table. And these have the important values, the 5 important values: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the important values, and the 6 ratios which are secant, cos, tan, and the 3 reciprocal of it. These are the main ratios which we learn in our lower classes, 9th, 8th and 10th also. This is a major part of the maths, which is the branch in the maths, but we don't think that it is much important. So think it as important. Don't make it the trigonometry is hard. Think trigonometry is easy. And thank you for giving this opportunity. Math is always easy when you think it is easy. Thank you for watching my maths presentation. This is me, Tariq from 9th B.